Congratulations, Mr. MJ Magno. Ang ating MOR Listener's Choice Award ay makakatanggap ng 50,000 pesos from Sir. Para naman sa Mix Best Music Video Award, we have Mr. March Ventosa, Head of ABS-CBN Cable's Channels and Print Media Group, and BJ Chino Louis Pio of Mix Channel.
Our Mix Best Music Video Award winner is Mahal Kita Pero by Janela Salvador, composed by Santana College, Alabang. Our Mix Best Music Video Award winner will be receiving 50,000 pesos. Congratulations.
50,000 pesos.
And for our Star Studio Reader's Choice Award, narito naman po si Ms. Tina Bonifacio, Senior Associate Editor, and Mr. Ian Reyno, Executive Editor of Star Studio Magazine.
Here we go! At ang nanalo ng Star Studio Reader's Choice Award ay ang kantang If You Don't Want to Fall by Jude Kitamundok, interpreted by Jen Mandela. Congratulations! Our Star Studio Reader's Choice Award winner will also be receiving 50,000 pesos. Para naman sa Star Cinema Choice Award, sasapaan tayo nila Mr. Roxy Likigan, Star Cinema Acrom Head, Selma Medua, Head of Post-Production. Also, our Star Cinema Choice Award will be receiving 50,000 pesos and Rubisco Fudgy Bar gift bags. Joining us as well to award is Mr. Ray De Los Reyes, Vice President for Marketing of Rubisco. Thank you, boss.
Our Star Cinema Choice Award goes to Halik sa Hangin, interpreted by Eve Dancel, and Abra, composed by David Dimagila. For our ABS-CBN.com Favorite Interpreter Award, we have with us Mr. Richard Reynante, ABS-CBN.com Head of Content, and Mr. Domileo Espejo, Head of Digital Content Entertainment.
Ang nanalo ng ABS-CBN.com Favorite Interpreter Award ay ang kantang Mahal Ko o Mahal Ako, Casey Tandingan. ABS-CBN.com Favorite Interpreter Award winner will be receiving 50,000 pesos. For our TFC Choice Award, please welcome Mr. Ned Legaspi, Head of ABS-CBN Global Content, and Ms. Eileen Averion, Managing Director of ABS-CBN Global for Asia and Pacific.